For everybody, in this video I will show you how to connect your Xempire to the Keeper wallet. For that, the process is very easy. All you have to do is to go and tap on three lines on the top right corner. In the airdrop section, go to the airdrop section and go to the connect wallet option. Here you will see the Keeper wallet right over here. Just tap on it. Once you tap on it, it will redirect you to the Keeper wallet. So all you have to do is to wait a while till the application boots up, and once the application will boot up, it will show you the option to connect the Tonekeeper wallet with the Xempire application. So let's wait a second till the application completely boots up. Here you see that there is a connect option to connect your uh, Xempire to the Tonekeeper wallet. Just click on it and verify your identification using the fingerprint, or you can use your face ID as well. So here you see that the Tonekeeper wallet has now been attached with the Xempire application. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.